Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this really fun kind of nude look, but with a pop of color in a sense, and it's metallic blue eyeliner, and I'm so excited about this look. We're using the Physicians Formula Sultry Nights palette and an LaColors metallic eyeliner. So let's get started. First we're going to prime our lids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and then we're going to pick up our Sultry Nights eyeshadow palette. If you don't own this eyeshadow palette, it's pretty good. It's kind of powdery, but it smells amazing. The shadows are pigmented, so it's pretty good. We're just picking up that skin tone shade there. I got it on a large blending brush, and I'm going to literally just windshield wiper that in. I'm going to build the shade up just a bit and just keep working that in the crease transition area. And I take it almost all the way to the brow, but mainly just for like blending purposes. Yes, this look is so easy, you guys. It's just a basic look, but what makes it is the blue eyeliner. I think this look would be perfect for like 4th of July or any time in the summer. So next up, we're picking this champagne shade up on a sponge tip applicator. Now some of the eyeshadows in the palette do need a bit of help, in the sense that a brush doesn't work very well with them, so the sponge tip is best, but that's okay. This one came with the palette, and I'm applying that all over the lid and in the inner corner there, right on top of that brown, and in the innermost corner to brighten the look up. Next up, I'm taking a small pencil brush, and I'm going to pick up a dark chocolate brown from the palette. I'm going to be kind of stamping and placing that in the outer corner kind of messily, and then I'm going to start blending as I go and just build that color up a bit. I don't want too much of this shade, just a little bit to add some depth and definition to the look on the outer corner there, and I'm literally just the tiniest little amount. I'm going to blend that in with the lid shade and then blend overall with the big fluffy brush, and these shades blend very nicely, very quickly. Now we're going to be taking the lightest shade in the palette, and it's kind of like a satin shade, so in between a matte and a shimmer, and it's just very nice, beautiful. And like I said, you see the kickback there is fallout, and these eyeshadows are kind of powdery. So just blend the brow bone with the crease color there. Next up, we're picking the LaColors metallic blue eyeliner, and if you've seen me out and didn't know what products I was using on my face, would you believe that this eyeliner was only $1? I'm telling you guys, you need to pick these up if you can still find them at your Dollar Tree. There was 4 shades of these. I picked them all up, and I am not disappointed. These are so vibrant, pigmented, they last forever, they're waterproof, and they didn't flake on my face. Like, if you want, I'll do a full review, but yes, it's amazing. So we're going to tight line with the Milani Stay Put eyeliner. And in the waterline, I'm putting the WetnWild brow highlighter just to not close my eyes off down there, because we're going to do something else fun. I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara here just to do my lashes. I've only done 1 coat of that. I didn't want this to have crazy lashes, only because I wanted a different part of my lashes to stand out. And here's why. You can do this with any colored liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to color my lashes. You can do the upper lashes too, do whatever you want to. But I just thought this was so fun and summery, and I am excited to do this with more looks. It's so pretty. I am obsessed with how this look came out. I wore it to town and everything. It's so beautiful. So the lipstick, no surprise, it's a Maybelline lipstick 545 in Beige Babe. I love their lipsticks. And this is Hard Candy Glow Setting Spray. Here's a little blunder for you. I couldn't get my fan open. I'm loving that fan from the Dollar Tree. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it easy and helpful. Try it out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials. Thank you always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional product lists and links. And stay tuned for lots more makeup videos.